Hey, Robert. How's it going?
You don't have to be in the same room, the same hospital, or even the same city to connect with someone, to care for them. With Zoom, you can overcome limits of distance and location to give people greater access to the care they need. One comprehensive platform that simplifies virtual care, from care delivery to patient education to the business of healthcare. Learn, share, and consult with medical experts around the world. Simplify and streamline workflows throughout your organization, connecting your teams with patients and their families. Zoom brings everyone together, uniting your entire organization around what matters most.